Hi, this is Dr. Don. I want to take a couple of minutes and show you how you can use one of the AI tools. I like to use just the free version of ChatGPT, but if I hit an error when I'm working with code, in this case I'm working with R in Posit Cloud, I can get help from ChatGPT helping me sort it out. Let me show you a simple case here. I've got this code here. I want to do a plot and I want to run it. And it gives me an error. It says information error in ggplot, yada 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 yada. This is the operative part. Object rural health not found. And I look up here and that is my basic data set that I need, my data object I need to load. So how can I fix this? First thing I'm going to do is open up a template that I use. It's a prompt. Here's the outline. And it says, I am working at R at Posit Cloud. For some reason, the AI tools prefer Python, so you always need to tell you're working at R in Posit Cloud. I ran the following code. Here's the code. Here's the error message. Please help me. Oops, I misspelled me. Let's do that. Fix this problem. Okay, I'm going to close that. Let's go back here. Here is my code block, and I'm just going to copy that code. Control C in a PC, go back to my prompt template, put it in there. It's going to look a little funky, but don't worry about it. Chat will figure it out. Now I'm going to go down here and find my error message right there. Copy that and go back into my prompt sheet. Okay, so I'm ready to go. Now I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. I've already logged in. This is the free version. I've created a free account. Here's my message. So I'm going to go back to my little prompt sheet. I'm just going to copy everything and get the last part too. Control C on a PC. Go back to chat and just paste it in. And then hit what I call run. All right. So it starts giving me see help, and it says indicates R cannot find the rural health object when the data set hasn't been properly loaded. To fix this, you need to check if the rural health data set is available in the environment. Here are some steps. Ensure the data is loaded. So look for a code chunk like that, and we can use this list function to see if it's been loaded. And then it says verify the column names. So let's go back and start with the first thing. We're going to see if it's loaded. Let me go back to Posit Cloud, and if I go up here, let me get that highlighting off there, and here's load data. Well, son of a gun, there's the code chunk. Maybe I didn't run that. It's not over in the environment, and of course, remember when you're knitting, it ignores the environment, but let's run that. There it is. Now let me go back down here to my code chunk and run it again, and it worked. So sometimes it's that easy. Okay, I've got another video that shows you what happens if, for example, chat doesn't give you the right correction the first time. You just get into discussion, but try this. You're surprising how much it can help.